Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable shadows and improve graphics in Dude Theft Wars. To enable shadows and improve graphics in Dude Theft Wars, first of all, launch the Dude Theft Wars app on your device and make sure to wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the main menu, go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Here you will see the graphics option. Go ahead and adjust the graphic quality. For low-end devices, tap on the low option, whereas for high-range devices, you can choose the high or ultra experimental option. For best graphic quality, choose the ultra experimental option, and then, once you do that, you can then get back to the home page and start the game. In order to turn on the shadow effect, from the same page, go ahead and tick mark the shadows box, and once you do that, you'll also be able to apply shadow effects to your game. Right after you do that, you can then get back to the home page and start the game. So that's how you can easily enable shadows and improve graphics in Dude Theft Wars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.